Nothing like chilling on the beach with my igloo full of frozen smoothies.
Excuse me. I'm trying to enjoy my warm and sunny vacation, and you're freezing up the place. What gives?
Me? I'm on vacation myself. I am a winter stag. I bring the snow.
If you love snow so much, why not vacation in Antarctica or Alaska?
I had a coupon.
You came to Hawaii, but you don't like the weather?
Oh, it's way too hot here.
So why come to Hawaii?
Because I needed a vacation.
So you picked a tropical paradise?
I had a coupon.
Fine, just try to keep your freezing antlers from pointing in my direction. I'm sorry. Maybe if I try reattaching them like,
How dare you touch the antlers!
Sorry about that, Doc. What do you know? He gave me the cold shoulder.
Let's hoof 10, y'all! This isn't very fun. How can anybody enjoy this liquid?
Time to work on a few of the old maneuvers. The downward rabbit, the expired yogurt, the upside-down pineapple carrot. What's going on here?
Now this is the vacation I was hoping for!
That frozen tundra needs a hot oil treatment. I know just where to get it. Time to get this fella fired up.
Hooga chaka, hooga chaka, hooga chaka. Hooga chaka, hooga chaka, hooga chaka.
I'm catching some sweet air! Oh, I am definitely not warming up to that rabbit.